Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a dessert and it's super easy to make and delicious. If you want to make it on a special holiday, you could. It's super easy. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's prepare the jelly. I'll be using 1 pack of cherry jelly and 300 milliliters of hot water. Let's mix it all together with a spoon. Now in a baking pan, you have to pour the mixture. And then send it into the fridge until it cools down. Let's prepare the other part of the dessert. In a bowl, add normal jelly and then 15 ml of water. And then let it sit for about 15 minutes. In a measuring cup, let's add 400 milliliters of drinkable yogurt and then 100 grams of sugar and 10 milliliters of vanilla extract. When the jelly is all ready, let's heat it up and pour it into the yogurt mixture. We will need a heart-shaped mold, and when we take out the cherry jelly off the fridge, you'll need to make them. And take out the hearts. And now you'll need some glasses, preferably transparent, and let's stick the hearts. When it's ready, let's add the mixture with the yogurt. And 1 little heart on top also. Now you have to send them into the fridge until they're the right consistency. And this is the result. Try it out. It's delicious, easy to make, and very fast. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.